Okay, assalamu alaikum. Hello again. So today inshallah I'm gonna make sure to complete the third section and the edit section of our project here. So what I want this section to do is to delete a product and or update a product. So first of all, I want to search by name, okay? And I want to use a query to and a condition to select this product by name in order for me to have an ID. So what I want to say is each time is the reason. First of all, let's clear up the reason why I did this thing and I put all my projects in my combo box, and that is because it might be two products with the same name, so each and every time you select a product it can show you its ID in here. So the ID is gonna be shown in this line edit, okay? And you have the option to modify or to delete that by its ID in the query. So we are selecting them by name, but we are deleting them by ID, okay? So even if you said some of you might say we still can have different names or the same name in our database, but the product ID should not be the same. So why am I not using the product ID to search the product? So the answer is simply because the ID of our products has no real life meaning in this example. So you are not gonna just remember all the IDs of your products, but you are gonna know the names of your products. So also you don't have to have the same name for two of your products. So all I'm saying here, all of your product will be shown in here, and even if you have mistakenly named two the same name, you still have the option to choose and see the ID, the quantity in stock and unit price. So you are gonna be the judge of the order here. Let's see, I hope I made that clear enough. Let's see the index.py. So next up, what I want to do is to select the data and fill it in here. So let me just clear a mistake here I did. So that ID should not be a line edit, but it should be a label. So let's go to data main.ui and change that. So let's go to line edit, delete this. Okay, okay, so let's name it, because I have actually okay, so let's name it okay, let's see, let's move up and go back. What's the name of this? So ID edit. So delete this. This should be equal to 0 at first, okay? Or let's have something nice in here. So give it an N, and this symbol I pretty much like this symbol. So this symbol an N, and this. Okay, let's leave it there. So number, that stands for number. Okay, so let's leave it and let's call it id label. Okay, let's leave it like that. Go back, open the project to see the number. Okay, let's see, let's change the theme, dark gray, let's go, or dark blue. Let's go back to see that. Okay, it's clear. Enough is enough, and go back to my index.py. So let's see what I want to do. Let's go back. I'm so messed up in this video. Oh bro. What I want to do now is to get the data from okay, first things first, I want to select something in here, get data, and then fill up the rest of this with the data of each product that I have selected, of the right product that I have selected. Okay, so let me do that. So I need to have a function for this get data. Okay, so let's do that. Let's call it search, I guess. Let's search for products. Oh, let's not do it here. Let's do search products self pass. Okay, and I want the self search, the self button search. Yes, that's its name. If it has been clicked, connect to self search product. So finally we are doing something in this video. So products. Okay, something has meaning. So so search products has been okay. So let's just make sure print search products. Okay, let's print this if we have clicked that, just to make sure we are not doing anything wrong. Search products. So next up we need to get the data or the value from the combo box. We have already done that before, so it's gonna be easy for us. So let's get the data. Okay, first things first, let's just discuss something in here. Let me discuss something with you in here. Let me go back. Okay, let me go back, bro. Okay, let's go. So what I want to say is I'm gonna create a query to get a product or to get the data of a product when I click get data. So but if I have this default products and I clicked get data, it will give me an error and eventually stop the program from running and exiting the program automatically, because it's gonna give you an MySql error that says that you cannot apply the query on this product string or whatever you are gonna give it as the default that you have in your application. So for that we have to handle this error. So let's go back, let's give it index. So I'm gonna do try except process in this one. Okay, so except pass, because we are not gonna have any other errors in the program. Okay, so let's get the combo box value. So we have let's call it product value. Okay, let's go self. I named it combo search combo. That's the name. Current text. Okay, current text. MySql formula should be select product ID. Okay, select product ID. I want product ID this time. Okay, unlock one. So product ID, name, quantity, in stock, unit price, from products where name equals S. So I'm gonna get a product ID, name, quantity in stock, unit price, so everything we have in table of products where name equals, so this is a condition where name equals an S. So this is the value that we are getting from the combo box. Okay, okay. And because we are selecting also the product ID, so this should not throw us an error if you have two values or two products that have the same name in your database. So let's just create a value here, product value, and we have to give it this as a tuple. So this column is the one who defines this as a tuple eventually. So let's give it that self cursor execute SQL value result. Okay, so self cursor execute SQL value result is gonna be equal to self cursor fetch all the data and print that result in the screen. Okay, so let's test that. I'm gonna go to edit products. So if I did hit that, laptops, get data. Okay, it's not working. I don't know why, but it's not working. It's not doing anything. So search products, so product value. So let's delete this except for now. Okay, so I have misspelled something. So let's just leave this error until the next section, inshallah, and then I will fix it because I have to go to my price now. Take care and see you later.